How to reset game data on Steam. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset game data on Steam. So first of all, you need to open your Steam application from the PC, and after opening that, you just have to go to your library and select the game you want to wipe out the data and you just have to click on the game and right click on properties, and as you can see on the general, there should be a option called save your game data and something like that, and you just simply have to turn off the option like this one, and after that you have to close that, and you have to search for the game data on your program files, and for that you have to search for the Steam option folder. That's the Steam folder, as you can see, and that's the user data. You just have to simply click on here, and this is the only game on the Steam app of my PC. So I'll just simply click on here and right click on it, and just you can just click on delete and delete the data permanently, and that's how your game data is permanently deleted or wiped out. Or you can just call it you have just successfully reset your game data. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.